Big news if you are holding Jasmy coin, because in the next couple of days, the clock is ticking for Jasmy coin, because we're about to witness a massive move imminent for the Jasmy coin price. And not many people are talking about what I have just spotted inside the longer daily time frame, and you are not even paying close attention as well. And that is why you don't want to miss this update video I have today for a Jasmy coin, because we have a lot to discuss right now. We'll be talking about the levels to look out for, what I have exactly spotted, and also my current expectations in the short term, mid term, and long term. So let's jump straight into the Jasmy coin price, starting in the longer daily time frame. Now, I'm specifically talking about a consolidation pattern that has recently formed for Jasmy coin in the daily time frame, which is this gigantic symmetrical triangle. And what's crazy is not many people are aware of this, not many people are talking about this. And yes, it looks like an imminent move, or an imminent massive move, is about to happen for Jasmy coin once we see a breakout of this triangle. You may be wondering, what are my targets? Well, I have the targets right here in the chart. You guys can see the targets are already laid out to you. Now, all you have to do right now is just pay close attention to what I'm about to say right now for Jasmy coin, because this pattern is essentially dependent, or the future price action for Jasmy is dependent on which side Jasmy coin would break out of. If we do break to the upside of the triangle, that would be a bullish scenario for Jasmy coin, and we could move, or we could pump to a price as high of around 0.032 cents in a matter of a few days if we do see a break above the triangle. However, the bearish scenario is if we do see Jasmy coin break below the triangle, we have the respective target right here at 0.12 cents, or 0.012 cents. Yeah. So from the price we're at right now, that would be a 30% dump to the downside. But if we do break above the triangle, that would be, from the price we're at right now, that would be about a 50% pump to the upside. So this is a massive move that is imminent for Jasmy coin. And like I've said, I have updated you guys with this new analysis because not many people are talking about this. Not many influencers have realized this consolidation pattern that has recently formed for Jasmy coin in the daily time frame. Now, if we do move into the weekly time frame, however, if you're wondering about my current expectations for the Jasmy coin price, my view has remained the same, and that is that the chart in the longer weekly time frame to me looks bullish. We just had a nice rally towards the upside above this major resistance zone, and we have flipped that to support as reflected by us holding this level for a couple of weeks. And now what I'm waiting for is for Jasmy to make its next move, or next leg towards the upside. It looks like Jasmy coin is about to make that decision yet, but so far right now the Jasmy coin price in the weekly time frame looks healthy because we are just consolidating. We are moving sideways like any healthy coin should right now, because Bitcoin currently is breaking to the downside. Bitcoin is dumping to the downside, and it is making our altcoins bleed. However, for Jasmy coin, the chart still looks like it's holding off pretty strong in the weekly time frame. You guys can see we are just moving sideways right here, and we are now waiting for the next big move, which I believe is close for Jasmy. So if you are thinking about making reckless moves right now, such as probably selling, not financial advice, but I think that that could be a bad choice, because if you take a look at the charts right now, we had a nice pump, a bullish consolidation. Why would you sell right here? Because to me, in my personal opinion, I think a nice move to the upside is imminent for Jasmy, because in the technical standpoint, the chart essentially looks healthy. And not financial advice, like I've said, I'm not advising you guys to buy now or sell, but in my personal opinion, I believe that selling right here is a foolish decision, because you're selling at support essentially. The best time to sell is to sell at resistance. If you're looking to sell, I think this is the perfect spot to sell, or offload some of your positions and reinvest in the dips, or reinvest it to other crypto projects. But for now, I think this pattern or this setup in the weekly longer time frame, in the longer weekly time frame, the setup looks great. And I am not flipping bearish for Jasmy coin in the longer time frame. But in the short term though, I would like you guys to just be aware of the possible scenarios right here. Like I've said, if we do break to the upside for Jasmy coin, if we do break above this triangle, we could be looking at a price target of around 0.033 cents. But if we do break to the downside, we could be expecting a price of 0.012 cents. Essentially in this general box right here, which I have highlighted on the screen right now. So in the short term, yes, we could be seeing choppy price action. We could be seeing dumps to the downside, but that in my opinion would serve as a buying opportunity. And if we do break to the upside, that would serve as an opportunity to, if you're trading Jasmy, that would be an opportunity to offload some of your positions and buy back in once it dips to the downside, or you could invest it into other crypto projects. But again, like I've said, if you're trying to sell at support right now, because currently Jasmy in the longer weekly time frame is trading at support. You guys can see there is support right here. This red zone is support. It is a critical support zone. It is an order block. And I believe that the bulls are trying to take over this level. And if you're looking to sell right here, it just doesn't look good in my personal opinion, because to me, it looks like Jasmy coin is cooking. It's going to be making a big move, and many people are not aware of this, or many people are not paying close attention. But to me, a breakout to the upside, in my opinion, honestly, looks imminent. And we just need Bitcoin, honestly, to just settle down. We need Bitcoin to stop dumping, because if Bitcoin continues to dump, our altcoin bags, including Jasmy, would continue to bleed towards the downside. But if Bitcoin, or once Bitcoin starts to chill out, I believe, in my personal opinion, that's when we're going to be seeing altcoins start to rally, especially altcoins in hot sectors, in hot narratives, and with good use cases, with a solid team and foundation, with a solid community. I believe that once Bitcoin stops dumping, once Bitcoin actually decides to chill out, stop from its crazy dumps, I believe that that's when we're going to be seeing altcoins start to rally, including Jasmy. So personally, I would not be looking to sell right here, but that's not financial advice. But personally, I would not be looking to sell right here. I would be looking to sell right here, not here. I would sell over here and over here at these targets we have. I would sell at a profit, not at a loss. So yeah, and if you're wondering, I'm planning to open up a long position on this red zone. If you go even deeper right here, I might scoop up a long position and ride on the wave up over on Blofin.com. So be sure to sign up on Blofin using my link and claim your $30 bonus today. And also, if you are going through this bull run alone, you're making a big mistake, because we're about to go through one of the biggest opportunities of our life in this crypto market. If you're going through this alone, you are essentially wanting to lose. You don't have a solid network, and that is where my Discord group comes in. This is a private group, invite-only group. Our members are growing steadily every single day, and I release weekly market insights and updates on your favorite cryptos and the cryptos we talk about in the channel, and various cryptos in hot altcoin sectors. We release essential information in the market. Our members are benefiting from this information, and you are not. So if you're not a part of our group today, then you are missing out. Be sure to join right now in the description, because as the bull run comes, once the bull run starts to kick in and pick up the momentum, our Discord group is going private. I won't be accepting any members anymore, and it might be a paid service. Take advantage of this opportunity now while it's still free. And if you guys would like to learn how to make $100 a day, watch this video on the screen right now.